beautiful viewers, I'm back again with another delicious recipe, and this time around we will be making some fresh watermelon and orange juice. But before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Jennifer. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Austria, okay? And this channel is about food, lifestyle, DIY, and we do some health talks too. Please feel free to like, share, comment, and also don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button below, okay? So that you can join this amazing family. And don't also forget to turn on your notification bell. The essence of that bell is that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For my beautiful old subscribers, thank you for always watching my video. Thank you for the massive support. I do not take it for granted, okay? Thank you, and may God bless you all. Like I said earlier, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my watermelon and orange juice. Yes, this recipe I'm going to show you guys now is very delicious. This is what I usually take anytime I feel like taking any drink, you know, I just mix it up and take it. It is very delicious and yummy. Trust me, when you try this, you will love it. As we all know, watermelon has so many health benefits, which I mentioned in my previous video. Please, I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box below, okay? Try and check it out so you can know some health benefits of watermelon. It is very important. So to make this delicious juice, I'm going to be using just two major fruits, and they are watermelon and orange. So as you can see, I've just finished cutting the watermelon, okay? So I use just a little watermelon because I'm making just for one. So you can as well add as much as you want, depending on how many people that will be taking the juice, okay? So I'm going to put the watermelon into a blender cup and blend it very well until it's smooth. Please do not add water to it because watermelon already contains water. That's why it's called watermelon, okay? And also make sure you blend for 20 seconds until it becomes smooth. Please don't forget to make this juice for your kids. It is very healthy, delicious, and very easy to make, okay? This juice has no preservatives, no artificial colors. It's 100% natural and it's very healthy. That's why you should always make it for your kids, and also keep lots of it for your visitors, especially in this festive period. They will definitely need it, okay? So guys, I'm done blending the watermelon and this is what it looks like. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see what it looks like? Okay, so this is what it should look like when you're done blending it. So I'm going to pour it inside the hand squeezer. Yeah, I just want to like kind of sieve it a bit, okay? Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to see if I can sieve it a bit. So guys, can you see that? Can you see what came out after sieving it? Can you? I usually do it this way because I believe that when taking juice, there shouldn't be any obstruction, unlike when taking smoothie, okay? So now I'm done with the watermelon, so it's time to prepare the orange. Orange is known to have several health benefits and is among the most popular fruits around the world. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is also vital for the proper function of a healthy immune system. Oranges also help prevent skin damages. An orange a day can help you look younger even at 50. Yes, this is so true. When you take orange, one orange per day, it will make you look younger, very much younger. Okay, it helps keep blood pressure under check due to presence of magnesium. Okay, it lowers cholesterol. It also helps control blood sugar level. Finally, it helps lower the risk of cancer. Okay, so guys, these are the health benefits of taking oranges. Okay, so I have just finished squeezing the orange into the watermelon, so let's see what it looks like. Can you see that? Can you see how yummy it looks? This is what I'm talking about. This is very healthy and very delicious. Can you see that? Can you? This is called fresh homemade juice. Okay, serve it to your guests, to your kids, and they will all love you forever. To enjoy this, you can keep it in the fridge to cool a bit. You can also serve it like this depending on how you like it. For me, I usually keep mine in the fridge for some minutes before I drink it, and it is very delicious. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, share with your friends, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Please also try this recipe and tell me what you think about it. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas and a prosperous new year. I love you all.